Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be working on installing our Chamberlain smart garage door opener. We're going to be replacing this Genie garage door opener that really doesn't work so well. We've had random connection issues where we try to open the garage door, try to close the garage door, and it just doesn't respond. You gotta close the app, reopen it. It's been a pain in the butt. I've used the Chamberlain controllers previously, and it's worked out pretty well. First things first, we're gonna remove this controller off of this one, and I've got on the door up there, whoop, focus, the door sensor for the old controller. I've already pulled everything out of the box. Comes with some instructions with a QR code for the installation manual. We've got the controller itself, the door sensor, some mounting hardware, bracket, and the power cable for the controller. It does come with some double-sided hook and loop tape. I brought myself an extra piece here. With the hook and loop tape, I'm gonna connect this guy onto the garage door, and with that piece of double-sided tape, I'm gonna stick this to the bottom of the garage door opener, get a little symmetry going, make it look nice. So this is the Chamberlain Whisper Drive Plus. We've got our lines going in, we've got our sensor wires going to the trip sensors on the bottom of either side of the garage door. Those guys are coming in, and then we've got our control to the garage door opener button on the wall. I put a little piece of tape over the motion sensor so it would stop putting these blinding lights in my face. I did double up these wires here and actually ran them to this controller because this controller actually requires a hardwired connection. With everything in place, now it's time for setup. Make sure you've got your phone, you can reach your hub, and the sensors nearby. Make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your phone, and disconnect any other devices or you might have issues connecting the hub. Go ahead and download and open the myQ app on your phone. Create an account if you don't have one yet. With the app up, tap the plus button on the bottom right for a new device. In this case, we're adding the smart garage door hub and mounting it on the ceiling. Scroll through the list, check everything off, enable location services for the app. Plug the hub into the outlet and look for the little blinking light on the device. With your phone's Bluetooth enabled, you'll see the garage door opener and it's going to request a pair. Don't worry about the call history. Choose the Wi-Fi network you'd like on your garage door opener. It doesn't matter if your phone's on the same network as your garage hub. The light should turn green on the hub. Hit Next. Now we're ready to pair the sensor to the hub. Pull the tab out on the sensor and press the button. When the light blinks red on the sensor, press Next in the app. The light on the hub will flash white when the sensor is paired. Tap the button on the sensor again to exit pairing mode. The screen will change confirming. A video will pop up showing you where to mount the sensor, basically at the top of the garage door. When the sensor detects the top part of the garage door is vertical, it tells the hub it's closed. When the garage door opens up, the sensor goes horizontal and the hub tells the door it's open. Clean off a spot on your garage door and press the double-sided sticky tape with the sensor to the door where you want it mounted. Now it's time to pair the hub with your garage door. Make sure the door is closed and there's nobody near the path of the door. Tap Next and you'll see a list of compatible garage door openers. Choose yours and you'll see the instructions to pair the garage door. In my case, my pair button's purple. Once you've located it, tap the I've located it button in the app, and on the next page, it'll tell you to press and release the pairing button. Don't hold this down or it might clear out the saved codes on your other garage door openers in your cars. Press the Next app to start the hub pairing. You'll get a check mark on the screen when the pairing's done. Now you can change the display name of your garage door in the app. The next steps in the app show you how to mount the ceiling hub. Or you can take my lazy approach and just use double-sided sticky tape to the bottom of your garage door opener motor. With the 3M tape, this has held strong for about 6 months so far. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you can sign into your Amazon account. With Prime Key deliveries, Amazon will drop your packages off right in your garage. No worrying about package thieves. I was nervous about this at first. Amazon deliveries having access to my garage door. What if they leave it open when I'm not home? I haven't had any issues so far. You can always choose door delivery at checkout or disconnect this feature later. hatch is open. And it closes. And it's closed. Quick and easy. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like, comment down below. If you want to see more content like this, how-to tutorials, drop a comment about that, what you would like to see me do next. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.